A lot of times when people come to this country and they are adjusting through their spouse, in other words, a U.S. citizen is filing for their foreign spouse who's going to become a legal permanent resident of the United States. If they are married under 2 years and they file, they only get a conditional residency. It's only good for 2 years. And in fact, what has to happen after about a year and a half, they have to file again to renew to get a 10-year green card. But a lot of people ask, well, what happens if before the 2 years are up, I end up separating from my spouse? There are really about 3 options that happen. Number 1, you can file jointly with your spouse if you guys are separated but not divorced. Another option is if it's like the marriage is completely destroyed, there's no communication, etc., you can go ahead and get the divorce and file for a waiver. And a waiver just basically says, hey, this marriage was in good faith, however, it broke down. There's another option, a third final one, is really a waiver that's based on abuse or hardship. And so it basically says, hey, my spouse was abusive and I can't file together. So you can file jointly or separately. You don't necessarily still have to be together. The reality is that if the marriage was done in good faith, if you truly wanted to be with this person, if it was a real marriage, then you can move to a 10-year green card.